I knew it. I knew it was coming. Lego Education just came out with a new robotics kit. It's called Computer Science and AI. A lot of us in the robotics community were talking and we were thinking, hey, it's going to happen sometime soon because Lego Education came out with NXT in 2006. Then they came out with EV3 in 2013. And then Spike Prime rolls around in 2020. So if you're doing the math, every 7 years. So we knew, hey, 2027 was going to roll around pretty soon, and it came along sooner than we thought. And so again, Lego Education, Computer Science and AI, it's a brand new kit. So what we're going to do in this video is take a look at it. And for those of you that do First Lego League, is what do we do with this new kit? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave you the link to this in the description. But let's go ahead and take a look at this new kit. So there it is, Computer Science and AI Kit 6th through 8th grade. They have 3rd through 5th grade. And they're going to have K2. So let's go ahead and take a look at the prices. For K2, $339 for 4 students. 3 through 5, $429 for 4 students. And 6 through 8, $529.95 for 4 students. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the specifications. If you're looking for a class set, $3,179. Ouch. Okay, let's take a look at some of these images. Okay, so 379 Lego bricks. And it looks like this is going to come in a packet of 4. So it has building instructions, interactive hardware. So 1 double motor, 1 single motor, 1 color sensor, 1 controller. Interesting. So, why just 1 double motor and 1 single motor? And then why just 1 color sensor? Interesting. Okay. So it's going to definitely be safe AI learning. So it looks like it's going to do some interactive, you can see from this picture or video clip here, some interactive coding. So it looks like it's going to be able to detect motion. Okay. Looks like there's, like always, a lot of teacher resources. And there you go. So that's looking like a part of that. I'll skip playing the video here. But there's kind of a sneak peek into what the coding looks like and what these parts and pieces would look like. That looks awfully like the inventor colors right there. Okay, so, Lego is going to move towards AI here. And what we want to do is, try to figure out, hey, is this compatible with, the previous versions of Spike Prime? It does not look like it. I could be wrong. But what we want to do now is just kind of take a look at, will this be First Lego League compatible or, legal? So what I want to do now is just take a little step. Since we're talking about AI, let's use AI and figure out, hey, will this be able to be First Lego League compatible? So let's check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at AI, and let's ask AI if this new Computer Science and AI Lego kit is going to be First Lego League compatible. So let's go ahead and say, will the new Computer Science and AI robotics kit from Lego be usable for First Lego League. Let's figure out what it says. Okay, it's thinking. And here we go. Here's what I can tell you whether the new LEGO Education Computer Science and AI kits will be usable for first LEGO League. Here we go. LEGO is launching a new computer science and AI education kit, K to 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, starting in April. So you're going to be able to pre-order this, but it won't be shipped until April. So here we go. What FLL currently requires is a LEGO Education Robotics kit, such as Spike Prime. Obviously, NXT and EV3 are compatible. Ooh, okay, let's figure out this. Transition and future edition of First LEGO League. So here we go. Here's the key part. First LEGO League is officially changing. Starting with the 2026-2027 season, First is rolling out a future edition, interesting, of First LEGO League that will be based on the new LEGO Education Computer Science and AI hardware. Okay, so it looks like there's going to be a separate version here. Let's keep going. This new edition is being designed as a parallel track to the existing format. Oh, called the Founders Edition. Okay, so which is going to use Spike for a transition period through about 2028. All right, so here we go. The future edition using computer science and AI hardware is not backward compatible with Spike technology. I kind of figured that, meaning you won't be able to mix the old and new systems. Okay, so can the new CS and AI kit be used? For the current First LEGO League Challenge, obviously because it hasn't come out yet, the answer is no. But for the future edition, First LEGO League, it's going to be yes. So this is crazy, you guys. So there's now going to be, it looks like a hybrid. Those people that want to use the CS AI will be competing in the future edition. And then it looks like if you want to continue to use Spike, you're going to be going to the, okay, so future edition. And if you want to continue to just use your Spike, it looks like it's going to be, let me see what that was called again. I want to make sure I get this right. It looks like it's going to be called the Founders Edition. Okay. Kind of makes it sound old, doesn't it? Okay, so here's the timeline. So if your team is competing this season, we're sticking with Spike Prime, obviously. Yep. If the competition you're planning for starts fall of 2026 and later, there's going to be a new future edition. So you can use your computer science and AI kit, or it looks like you're going to be able to continue to use Spike with the Founders Edition. Interesting, guys. Okay. So I don't know. And so it's asking for a recommendation, but the recommendation is obviously going to be different no matter, depending on your team and your resources. If you cannot afford, this amount of money, then obviously you're going to tell the recommendation, hey, we're sticking with Prime, and that's going to tell you to stay with the Founders Edition. So this is huge news, you guys. So it sounds like for next year, you're going to probably be asked, are you signing up for the Foundation or Future Edition or the Founders Edition? So if you're using Spike Prime, I guess you're saying Foundation. Okay. So this is crazy. I don't think in First LEGO League there's ever been, other than the age difference, now it's going to be what are you using difference. Crazy stuff. Okay. So, Miss Gina, what do you think about this? I knew it was coming. I knew LEGO had the, repetition or pattern of coming out with a new kit every 7 years. I just didn't realize they were going to put this in a completely, different category. So this is wild. Am I interested in this new computer science and AI? Obviously, yes. But I'd have to get my hands on it to find out and see maybe some things that Lego Education might send to just kind of understand and know. But talking with you guys, I know that a lot of you are like, hey, we don't have the money if a new kit comes out to now start going from Spike Prime to this new kit. I'm in the same boat. I just got the Spike Prime this year, so I'm not, I'm not going to be, trying to learn something new when I'm just trying to get my kids figured out for Spike Prime. So I'm going to be doing Spike Prime for a while, and if this new kit here, this AI kit, if it's going to be around for as long as I think it is, Spike Prime is going to be a safe bet. If you have the money, I would say, and you're looking for a kit, I'd jump on this, I guess. It's going to be new for everybody, so there's no telling how this is going to be. But you have a lot of people out there that know Spike Prime is doing really well right now. So, it works with the students' devices. We're not having major connection issues. So this is a game changer, guys. This is going to be so crazy. So you guys can throw it down in the comment section. What do you guys think about this? Again, I'll put the link in, for all of the new computer science and AI, website to take a look at it. But let me know what you guys think, okay? So big news, big, huge news, and we'll move forward. I'm going to continue to use Spike Prime. You guys can let me know, are you interested? Are you in the ballpark of looking for a new kit like this? Interesting, right? Okay, so thank you guys for joining me on this special Lego computer science AI video here, and we'll see how things roll out, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.